Hello everybody, hope all of you are doing wonderful. Welcome to the SQL course. SQL is a versatile programming language specifically designed for managed and working with data in relational database. It plays a vital role in countless applications and organizations worldwide. In this course, you will explore the foundational concept of SQL and discover how to utilize it effectively for data management tasks. You will learn how to store, retrieve, and modify data using SQL commands. The course will guide you through requesting data from servers, storing limiting queries result, combining data from multiple table using joins, and performing data updates and deletion. Additionally, you will delve into the basics of creating tables, defining data types, and retrieving data through various techniques. By understanding key principles of relational databases, you will gain the ability to write and execute SQL command to build and manage database structures. Upon completion of the course, you will have a solid grasp of SQL, equipping you to handle data management tasks with confidence.